Hello, my name is Matthew Tovar, and today I'll be giving my teaching presentation over pyruvate. Pyruvate is considered one of the most versatile molecules in the human body. It is present in multiple energy pathways such as glycolysis and the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. The body produces pyruvate to break down when it breaks down sugar. It is also available as a supplement to help with weight loss, obesity, high cholesterol, and in some impacts, cataracts. We're going to start with the glycolysis. Pyruvate is the end product of glycolysis. During the glycolysis, it produces the two pyruvate molecules, and it is the output due to the metabolism of glucose. One molecule of glucose breaks down into two molecules of pyruvate, which is then used to provide further energy in one of two ways. Pyruvate oxidation. From glycolysis, the pyruvate is sent to Krebs, but before it goes through the pyruvate oxidation, it has to turn into an acetyl group. When it does this, pyruvate, the carbonic group is removed from pyruvate, releasing the carbon dioxide. NAD is reduced to NADH, and the acetyl group is transferred into the coenzyme A, resulting in the acetyl CoA. Possible performance enhancing capabilities. Pyruvate does not have any performance enhancing capabilities according to Dr. Bercetta in 1985. Pyruvate does not improve performance enhancing during intense aerobic exercise in well-trained cyclists. The purpose of the present studies were to test the hypothesis that lower doses of oral pyruvate indigestion would increase blood pyruvate concentration, and that the indigestion of a commonly recommended dosage, which is 7 grams a day for 7 days, would enhance performance during intense aerobic exercise in well-trained individuals. 9 recreational active subjects, 8 women and 1 male, which, when I mean recreational, means you go to the gym daily, you work out, you do stuff to stay fit. Recreational doesn't mean you just get up and walk. That's not a recreational activity. That does nothing for you. These 8 women, 1 male consumed 7, 15, and 25 grams of pyruvate respectively, and were monitored over a 4-hour period to determine whether the blood metabolites were altered. The pyruvate consumption failed to significantly elevate the blood pyruvate in these recreational athletes, and it had no effect on the indexes of the carbohydrates, which is your blood glucose lactate, or lipid metabolism, which is like your blood glycerol. And to further test this, they administered 7 grams a day for the 7 days of either a placebo or the pyruvate to 7 well-trained male cyclists with a maximum VO2 consumption, with a max VO2 of 62.3 milligrams per kg. In a randomized crossover trial, the subjects cycled at 80% of their max VO2 until they were exhausted, and there was no difference in their performance times between the two trials. The placebo actually performed slightly better at an average of 91 minutes till exhaustion, and than the pyruvate, which was 87.8, so round up to 88 minutes until exhaustion. The measured blood parameters, which is like your insulin, peptide, glucose, lactate, glycerol, were also all unaffected. The results indicate that the oral pyruvate supplementation did not increase the blood pyruvate content and did not enhance the performance enhancing during these intense exercise in the well-trained cyclist or the recreational athletes. Pyruvate is used in weight loss as it affects the metabolism, but it is only affected if you eat low-fat diets. They've tested it to where they have the strict low-fat diets. They use keto diets. Or just using everyday you eat whatever you want diet. There was only weight loss in the people on the low-fat diets. Keto had no effect, and of course, if you're just going to eat whatever you want, you eat trash, Whataburger, Dairy Queen, everything that's bad for you basically, had no effect. Although it promotes weight loss, which is good for heart health, the only side effect that I could find that was a major like red flag in a sense was that it's going to reduce the good cholesterol, which could end up being really bad for you as well. And so here we're going to watch a video that I had found. Listen up. So you shower. But I guess we have an ad first. Cool. So, okay, real quick, what I'm gonna have to do, since the audio isn't picking up on the YouTube video itself, I'm gonna be playing the audio off my phone in hopes that it syncs pretty well.
Okay, friends, in this video we'll be talking about the fate of pyruvate, which is a very important and common intermediate during the glucose metabolism, and how the pyruvate is produced and how it is generated. Now let's look at here. Now we are having glucose. Now the glucose is converted into pyruvate throughout the 10 successive step reactions, which is called the glycolysis. Okay. Now right after the glycolysis, we are having pyruvate from glucose. Now we take this pyruvate. Now this pyruvate can take the journey of 3 different paths, and it will lead up to the formation of different things if it goes through the 3 different types of paths. Okay. Now depending upon the situations that our body demands at that conditions, this pyruvate take any one of these 3 paths. So one path is production of acetyl-CoA, and then finally production of some amount of energy and also carbon dioxide and water throughout the aerobic respiration process, and generates a lot of amount of energy from it. And this process is the most common process of all. But however, for continuing this process, they must need the continuous supply of oxygen. That's why we call this step aerobic conditions. So we need a presence of oxygen, because oxygen is acting here as a tertiary electron donor. Now it will help this whole process to end up producing much more amount of ATP, or that means much more amount of energy. Okay, so pyruvate can go through the process of production of acetyl-CoA. Now the acetyl-CoA can further divided into carbon dioxide, and water is also being produced through the process called citric acid cycle. So right after the glycolysis, it most commonly go through the citric acid cycle and generate a lot of amount of energy. Now right after the citric acid, it usually do not produce a lot of energy, but right after the citric acid cycle, it will take all those energy intermediates like NADH, and utilizing their energy which is stored in those highly energetic bonds, and then convert them into ATP. Okay, now this is the straight process, and this is the most common process, but this is the aerobic. And the second process, so this is the first type of. Now the second type of process we are looking at is called the fermentation process. Now among the fermentation process, we are having 2 different type of fermentation process. One is a anaerobic condition and whole anaerobic condition. Another one is the hypoxic condition. That means it is also anaerobic, sometimes less oxygenic conditions. Okay. Now here it can go through 2 different types of fermentation processes. One type of fermentation is called lactose fermentation, and right after the lactose fermentation, it produces lactic acid, right? Now the second type of fermenting process is called ethanol fermentation, and this ethanol fermentation, it will produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. Okay, so the pyruvate is also taken in this case. And
sorry, I was gonna make it bigger.
And NADH shuffling is done very finely, because it will take NADH and convert them into NAD plus, and throughout this process it will generate the ethanol and carbon dioxide. It can also generate lactic acid. Now among these 2 types of fermenting processes, lactate fermentation or lactic acid fermentation is the most common one, and is widely seen. That means from the microorganisms till these eukaryotic organisms, which are multicellular organisms like us, we can also go through this lactic acid fermentation. And this lactic acid fermentation is going on inside our muscle cells when you really do a lot of physical works. Okay, like you are in the gym and you're taking out a lot of weights, and all those glucose are burning out, then accumulate this lactic acid into your muscle, and your muscle are in trouble, and you feel the pain into your muscle, right? But in ethanol fermentation, which is not very common, it is rare, but it can also it can happen in microorganisms. Most of the time, it can also happen inside the yeast. Okay, so yeast cells among eukaryotes can carry out this ethanol fermentation. But this ethanol fermentation is very very important too, because this ethanol fermentation, based on the technology of ethanol fermentation, we can apply this knowledge to various industrial processes and can generate a lot of very, 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 very important ingredients of our industry, like wine, like beer. So all of these beverages are coming out through the process of fermentation or ethanol fermentation, and we can also generate different food products also, like bread and like cheese and all these things with the help of this fermentation technology. So it's all about fermentation. So you can utilize microorganisms and their enzymes which are responsible for this fermentation process. We give them anaerobic condition or the less amount of oxygen conditions. So there will be no oxygen here. So if we provide all these things to all these microorganisms extracts, then you can probably end up with the production of this fermentation and production of the ethanol, which is in turn the most common part of any kind of alcoholic beverages, right? So this is the different pathways, or these are the different pathways of or fate of pyruvate. So pyruvate can take any of these paths, but it all depends on the situation that the body demands. When the body demands the production of energy, it must go through this process of citric acid cycle, generate energy right after the cellular respiration or electron transport chain. And if a cell demands the storage of all these things, cell demands the shuffling of NADH, NAD plus from NADH, it must go through this lactic acid fermentation and also the ethanol fermentation. But we can utilize this fermenting ability like ethanol fermentation and lactic acid fermentation to finally produce a lot of very very important industrial ingredients. Okay, so these are the fate of pyruvates.
But yeah, thank you guys for listening, and this is my presentation for Pyruvate. Thank you.